This is Dave Bosco, and today we're going to talk about the Lynx Levelers, how these work way better than wood blocks. Okay, today we're going to talk about the Lynx Levelers. We're also going to talk about wood blocks. It's a lot cheaper to get a wood block. You have something that's old sitting around. They work great until after a while they start rotting. You're throwing them in a trailer. They've got mud, dirt. Sometimes they get a lot of insects on them. The Lynx Levelers, well, we're going to take a look and see exactly what's inside this here. Inside the Lynx Levelers, inside this bag, this carry bag that they give you, zips up, very nice. The levelers are stackable. Now these are plastic, very durable. You can stack them on top of one another. You can also create a little bit of a rise if that's what you needed to spread between the two. So what we're going to do today comes with a bunch of them inside this bag. What we're going to do today is demonstrate how these work with your jacks. Normally, you can stack them this way. You can put them like this. Whatever is easier for your application. You can take your regular hand crank to bring your jack down, or you can get the attachment here for any cordless drill. We'll put a link in the description to the Lynx Levelers and this attachment. What you're going to do is position these so they are underneath. You're going to want your two outer pads to land right on top of the two circles. Put your drill on. This is way better than hand cranking. Once your jack hits the bottom, you do not want to lift the trailer. Just put a little bit of pressure on it. Do the same thing to the other side and to the back side of the RV. Always remember, use spray lubricant on your spin shaft inside to make sure that everything moves freely. This is what we use for our jacks. Again, it works very, very well, mostly with the attachment for the cordless drill. Now we're going to move on and show you exactly how to level your trailer with these blocks. Okay, now we're going to show you how to level your trailer with the Lynx blocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you real quick, only using one for each wheel. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your Lynx block. You're going to want to put it right behind your tire. Then you're going to want to come back to the next tire and put them underneath here. I'm going to show you how durable these are. We're doing it on blacktop. So this is where you're going to get your big comparison on how these work. Now we're going to get backed up onto it and show you how it works. As you can see, they do not slide on blacktop. You will have someone back you up. Make sure that you're right on the center and you're good to go. And then when you're done, you want to make sure that you chock your wheels on the other side. This is where, and I'm going to show you, this is where in another video is where you want to have your X chocks. Very good idea because they go in the middle. You don't have to worry about chalking the bottom. X chocks are really good. I'm going to put a block up here, a little link to the video on the X chocks we did. Until then, I'm Dave Bosco, and I'll see you on the next video.